Okay, Google. What is my name?
Your name is Ellie.
Okay, Google. Don't call me by that name.
Not Ellie. What should I call you?
Call me Chip.
You'd like me to call you Chip?
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Okay, Google. What's my cousin's name?
I don't know that yet. What's your cousin's name?
Funling.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Okay, Google. What's my cousin's name?
You told me that your cousin's name is Funneling.
Okay, Google. What's my sister's name?
You told me that your sister's name is Nee.
Okay, Google. How do you say, hello, my name is Chip in Vietnamese?
Xin chào, tôi tên là Chiếc.
Okay, Google. What is the date today?
It is Saturday, the 30th of December 2017.
Okay, Google. What is the time right now?
10:09.
Okay, Google. What is the weather today?
Today in Stillwater, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecasted high of 27 and a low of 13. Right now it's 22 and cloudy.
Where am I? Okay. Okay, Google. Can you sing?
La 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 la.
Not sure. Okay, Google. Sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the most amazing person in the universe. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, Google. Sing the ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Okay, Google. Tell me the story Cinderella.
Alright, here's Cinderella from Storynory on Google Play.
Mommy, tell me when I can stop.
Cinderella. Once, there lived a sweet-tempered girl whose name was Cinderella. Unfortunately, her mother died young and her father married again. His second wife had a sharp temper and her two daughters were just like her. In a word, horrid. The horrid sisters loved to boss Cinderella. The first said, "Cinders, it's your job to clean the fireplace. That's why you're called Cinders. Get it?" And before she had finished sweeping the grate, the second sister said, "Cinders, don't dawdle. Light up the fire and make me a hot bath with sweet-smelling candles."
Okay, Google, stop.
And as she was heating the bath...
Okay, Google, tell me a joke.
Okay, here you go. Why do gorillas have such big fingers?
I don't know.
Because they have such big nostrils.
That makes sense. Okay, Google, how many states are there?
50 states. Here's a summary from the website n.wikipedia.org. The United States of America is a federal republic consisting of 50 states.
Okay, Google, how do you spell international? Okay, Google, how do you spell international?
International is spelled INTERNATIONAL.
Okay, Google. Do you like cupcakes?
I found a few places. The first one is Cape Crazy LLC at 111 West Elm Avenue in
Google,
Stillwater.
Stop.
The second one is Industrial Cupcake Factory in Stillwater.
Okay, Google,
The third one
stop.
is Got it, cancelled.
Okay, Google, what's your favorite color?
I like blue, red, yellow, and green. Google's colors.
I don't care. That's all.
Không hỏi gì nào.
Bye bye, Google.